Finding your Bank of America credit score is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to the website bankofamerica.com. So as you see, first you need to log in to mobile banking or online banking on your mobile device. Here, by doing so, you will get your FICO score monthly. Next, you will be able to see key factors leading to the impact on your scores. Here, you can track your scores on a month-to-month basis. Now scroll down to check if your FICO score changes on a monthly basis. Here, check if you can check your FICO score more than once a month. Next, as you can see, your FICO score is updated only monthly. You can access your FICO credit score through an online mobile banking app if you are a credit card customer of Bank of America. So this way you can find your Bank of America credit score. Remember that maintaining a good credit score is important for various financial activities, including borrowing, applying for credit cards, and obtaining loans. Regularly checking your credit report allows you to monitor your financial history and take steps to improve your credit score if necessary.